Afternoon on this Wednesday, this stormy Wednesday. Of course, we're seeing the uptick in storm activity across the state. I'm non-news weather impact meteorologist Jaden Knowles, and yes, we're going to get you through this day. We have the potential to see some severe storms, mainly for the southeastern plains. Let's talk about it. Let's go ahead and go to graphics. If we take a look at your live radar, noticing the teal color there, kind of aqua color, and also the orange color. The orange color stands for tornado watch. The blue color is a severe thunderstorm watch. That goes until about 8 p.m. tonight. The severe thunderstorm watch, the tornado watch, will go in until about 10 p.m. tonight. So the counties that are associated with the severe thunderstorm watch is Washington, Lincoln, and really the southeastern portions of the Elbert County. We know that Elbert County is pretty big. Now, earlier, just about 15 minutes ago, there was a severe thunderstorm, mainly for that cell there towards the southeast of Colorado Springs. And you can see what happened there. It split, and essentially it killed itself. It kind of suffocated itself, so that's the reason they canceled that severe thunderstorm. Towards the southeast, though, near Burlington along Highway 385, we are seeing the heavy downpours of rain. As of right now, nothing severe, but that is a better environment for the ingredients, maybe seeing potential severe storms there. So definitely stay weather aware and have ways to get your weather alert. Up towards the north, not much going on. These are just your traditional showers and maybe occasionally some claps of thunder, but not a lot of lightning within these storms, and that is good news as well. And it's slowly finally making its way towards the metro. Fort Collins, you're getting some loud claps of thunder there, maybe pockets of heavy rain, especially if you're traveling along I-25. Give yourself some extra time, especially just to try to let this storm pass rather quickly, maybe here in the next couple of hours, I should say. But here in the metro, really staying dry, similar to yesterday. We see it maybe some hit or miss showers just towards the north of Denver, but for the most part, we should see an uptick in shower activity as we head into the latter parts this afternoon, talking about maybe around 2:30. Here's one of our future trackers, and it's showing you the level 1 as well as the level 2 risk for today, mainly for the southeastern plains. That's what we're talking about, that severe storms today. But that's going to continue throughout the afternoon hours. There's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and you can see in the metro kind of hit or miss showers and occasionally some heavy downpours of rain. But for the most part, we're really going to start to dry off by 8 p.m. But maybe some lingering cells down there towards the southeast near Burlington as well as Lamar. So here's a bigger picture of it, 4:30, and you can see really some heavy downpours of rain, especially those cells that are isolated. That's what we're really concerned about. If you look at Lamar and then go towards the west, that's the left a little bit, noticing those 1 and 2 cells there. That's what we're watching, because that's an environment where those cells can have the potential of growing and becoming supercells and also producing large hail and gusty winds. And that's kind of what this future cast is showing, especially as it tracks towards the southeast into Lamar and Springfield into the Kansas border. That's what we're talking about, some severe storms today. But for us across the metro, just heavy downpours of rain, loud clouds of thunder, occasionally maybe some small accumulating hail is possible. But for the most part, I believe that our storms will stay below severe limits here in the Denver metro. And then you can see it may be another round of showers and thunderstorms early this morning by 3 a.m. before clearing out just in time for your morning commute to work. So once again, we showed you these dew points, and anytime you get dew points really 60 in Colorado, that tells you that there's lots of Gulf moisture there, and that's in Lamar and Springfield, mainly towards the southeastern plains. And that's the reason for that level 2 risk for today, as well as the warm temperatures. You saw warmer temperatures than we did here in the metro. It's currently 81 in Lamar, so that's warm, as well as it's humid. It feels a little muggy there. Those storms have the potential of taking off. Right now here in 9 News, right outside the backyard, we're at 68 degrees, and we're not going to warm up too much. I think we're going to stay there. We originally forecasted the low 70s today, but I believe we're going to stay at 68. Tomorrow, 68 degrees as well, kind of similar to today. We should see maybe some scattered showers and thunderstorm activity into the afternoon. Once again, staying dry in the early morning hours. Your 7-day forecast, though, here is the good news. I know everyone tunes into the news for good news, right? The upper 80s make a return by Sunday. So if you have any pools and you just haven't, opened it, cleaned it out, definitely do that this weekend. You got to be in the pool this week, and if so, don't forget the invitation. We need that. 88 degrees Sunday, 81 by Monday, maybe some more isolated storm activities. But we're really in this summer pattern, this storm pattern as well. So really almost every day we got a chance for some isolated showers and thunderstorms into the afternoon. But so far, we're still tracking these storms that are ongoing. Really for the southeastern plains. So have ways to get your weather updates, your weather alerts. Of course, Chief Meteorologist Kathy Saban is here, and I'll be here helping her as well. But so far, thank you so much for joining in, and tune in to our 3 p.m. show.